Yes, good morning student. Welcome to your mathematics class. Today we are just going to next exercise. We have already done the 16A exercise. Now I will just continue with the next exercise, that is 16B. That is related to the parallelogram. As we have already studied about the type of the parallelogram and what is the parallelogram. Again I am just repeating that the properties of a parallelogram. This is a parallelogram where name is A, B, C, D. If it is a parallelogram, so I will write in a short form, that is parallel GM. Okay, this is parallelogram. Here now I will discuss about the properties of a parallelogram. First, the opposite sides are parallel. The pair of opposite sides are equal and parallel. So AB is parallel to BC and BC is parallel to AD, and both are equal also. AB is equal to BC and BC is equal to AD. पैरेललोग्राम की अपोजिट साइड इक्वल भी होती है और पैरेलल भी होती है. फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी. सेकंड इज अपोजिट एंगल इज आल्सो इक्वल. A is equal to C and the angle B is equal to angle D. The pair of opposite angle are also equal. Now the next property, that their adjacent angle. Adjacent angle, what are the adjacent angle which are nearby? Okay, like this, A and D. Their sum will be 180 degree. Clear? Both the adjacent angle, any two adjacent angle, the sum of the adjacent angle R is equal to 180 degree. Okay, the sum of two adjacent angle is 180 degree, that is supplementary. Clear? And the third one, the diagonals are not equal. If I am talking about the property related to the diagonal, what are the diagonals? AC and BD. They are not equal. The diagonal of a parallelogram are not equal. Here it means AC is not equal to BD. These are all the property related to the parallelogram. Now I just continue with our exercise 11th B, which is all based on the parallelogram. I am taking the first question here. What is the statement of first question? The measure of an angle of a parallelogram is 70 degree. I am taking the first question. This is a parallelogram ABCD, and they are saying that the one angle is of 70 degree, and you have to find the angle B, angle C, and angle D. As we know that the ABCD is a parallelogram. If ABCD is a parallelogram, so angle A equal होगा, that will be equal to angle C, and the angle B will be equal to angle D. Clear? So if angle A is 70, so angle C is also 70. Done. We have got the two angles. Now come to the next angle. There is another property. The sum of adjacent angle of a parallelogram A plus B is equal to 180. Reason, the sum of adjacent angle of a parallelogram is 180. So angle A plus B is equal to 180. So angle A is 70. So angle B will be 180 minus 70. That is 110. If angle B is 110, as the opposite angle of a parallelogram is equal, so if the angle B is 110, the D is also 110. In this way we got all the angles, angle A, angle B, angle C, and angle D. Come to the next question, question number 2. If the adjacent angle of a parallelogram, if ABCD is a parallelogram and it is already given, their adjacent angles are equal. So it means angle A is equal to angle B. This is given. Their two adjacent angles are equal. And then find the angles, and what do you call these such a parallelogram? A or B both are equal. As we know that the sum of adjacent angle is equal to 180 degree. We have already write this reason. Okay. With the same reason, angle A and B both are equal. So angle A plus angle A. I just put the angle B is equal to angle A. So 2 times of angle A is equal to 180 degree. So angle A will be 90. If angle A is 90, so because it is a parallelogram, so this is also 90. And in the given condition, it is already given that the adjacent angles are equal. This 90, so this is also 90. This is also 90. So angle, if angle A is 90, so angle B, angle C, and angle D is also 90. Now in this parallelogram, all the angles are of 90 degrees. So this parallelogram will convert into a rectangle because there is some similar property of the parallelogram and rectangle. In the parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and parallel. So in the rectangle is also the opposite sides are equal and parallel. But one more condition, in the parallelogram all the angles are not of 90 degree, but in the rectangle all the angles of 90 degree. So this parallelogram will convert into a rectangle, not in a square, because in the square all the sides are equal, but in the parallelogram only the condition is given that the opposite sides are equal. पैरेललोग्राम में सिर्फ अपोजिट इक्वल दी होती है, इसीलिए ये रेक्टेंगल बनेगी, स्क्वायर नहीं बनेगी. क्लियर? कम टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. व्हाट इज द पेरीमीटर ऑफ ए पैरेललोग्राम? कम टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Question number 3. What will be the perimeter of a parallelogram? If ABCD is a parallelogram and they are talking about the perimeter. Perimeter means the sum of all sides. If the adjacent sides are 5 cm and 4 cm. If AB is 5 cm and BC is 4 cm, as you know that the AB is equal to the DC by the property of a parallelogram that the opposite pair are equal and parallel. So if this is 5 cm, that is also 5 cm. And the same way BC is equal to AD, that is equal to 4 cm. So what will be the perimeter of ABCD? Sum of all sides. It means AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. So 5 plus 4 plus 5 plus 4. It means 18 centimeter. This is the answer of this question. Very simple question is this one. Question number 4. If the ABCD PQRS is a parallelogram, PQRS is a parallelogram and PQ is longer than QR. PQ is longer than QR by the 6 centimeter. Let if QR is X centimeter. Okay, and according to question, PQ is longer than by QR by 6 centimeters. So there will be, it's longer now. So I just add the 6 in the QR to make them equal. Okay. And now the perimeter is already given. The perimeter is equal to 36 centimeters. So according to this question, the perimeter means the sum of all sides. This is X, so this is also X. This is X plus 6, this is also X plus 6. So sum of all sides means first is PQ plus QR plus RS plus SQ is equal to 36. Now add these all the sides. X plus 6, X plus 6, it means you have 2X plus 12. X plus X, you are having 2X is equal to 36. 2X, 4X plus 12 is equal to 36. 4X is equal to 36 minus 12. So you will have here 424. And the value of X means 6. Now what you have to find? You have to find what is the length of each side. Now just put the value of X here. There is a X plus 6 and the value of X is 6. So 6 plus 6, that is 12 centimeter. If PQ is 12, so SR is also 12. And RQ and SP both are equal to X. X is equal to 6 centimeters. So this by this way you will get all the sides. Clear? come to the next question. Question number 5. The question number 5. The adjacent angles of a parallelogram, both the adjacent angle of a parallelogram are given. It means A and B. Angle A is given, that is 3x minus 12. Angle B is given 52 plus 2x. As we know that this is a parallelogram, so opposite angle will be equal. Angle A is equal to angle C. Angle B is equal to angle B. Okay. And what are the angles of a parallelogram? तो हमें सारे ही एंगल बताने हैं. If I will get the value of x, then I just put the value of x here, and I will get the all the angles. Okay. Now come to the next question. So as we know that the angle A plus B is equal to 180 degree reason because of a parallelogram, and the sum of all the adjacent angle of a parallelogram is equal to 180 degree. So I just put the value of A here, that is 3x minus 12, and the value of B is 52 plus 2x is equal to 180. So 3x plus 2x, 5x, 52 minus 12, I will have here, that is 40 is equal to 180. So the 5x will be 140. 180 minus 40, that is 140. So the value of x will be 38. Put these values in angle A and B and get your answer. Angle A and angle B, that is 3x, and putting the value of x minus 12. Angle B is 52 plus 2 into 28. Multiply these down and subtract 12 and add 52 here, and you will get your answer. Okay, just solve it and get your answer in the degrees. Come to the next question. Question number 6. The table is already given. I am just explaining it. You will try by yourself. As you can see that a table for the parallelogram PQRS is given here. Study it carefully. Is the information given correct? If not, then why? As you can see that in the first one, the value of PQ is given 3.9 and QR is 7. Angle Q, R, S and P. As you can see that the P plus Q should be 180 because they are, as we know that the sum of adjacent angle of a parallelogram is equal to 180 degree. But when you are just going to add the P and angle Q, you will see that they are 135 and 35. Their sum is not equal to 180. So it's not a parallelogram. In the same way, you will try the B part and C part by yourself. Now I just continue with the question number 10. In the question number 10, P, S, Q, R is here, and PQRS is a parallelogram where the angle Q is 50 degree. This angle is of 70 degree, and you have to find the QRP. This angle, and the next angle is SPR. This angle. SPR. Okay. Now, as you know that this PQRS is a parallelogram, and in the parallelogram, the sum of adjacent angle is 180 degree, and here the angle Q plus R is equal to 180 degree. I am just writing this name is angle 1. So your angle X, whatever you want. So angle Q is 50 degree. Angle R is made by both the two angles, that is 70 plus X. So I will write 70 plus X. So it is equal to 180 degree. So value of X will be 180. 70 plus 50, that is 130. Sorry, 120. 120. I will subtract here. So you will get the value of X is 60 degree. So this is, it means this angle is QRP or PRQ. So PRQ will be of 60 degree. Okay. Now as you can see that these angle Y and angle X, they are forming the alternate interior angles. Okay. Alternate now. Clear? So the angle SPR, that is equal to Y, will be equal to the X, that is of 60 degree. So you will try all the question up to 1 to 10 of this exercise. Thank you and have a nice day.